In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest breakfast protocol to eliminate stubborn belly fat. But I want to be very direct with you. If you are looking for a 7-day miracle, you are in the wrong place. Your body doesn't work like that. To truly clear the dangerous fat from your liver and organs, you need a 90-day biological reset. If you're a professional over 40, your current breakfast is likely the reason you are stuck. The healthy poha, the toast, or the bowl of cereal are actually sugar bombs that lock your fat loss cells for the entire day. I see this every day. Today I will show you how to break that lock so your body starts burning fat the moment you wake up. Let's talk about my client Ananthraman. He's a busy architect who, like many of you, was trapped in a cycle of starting early and coming home late. He told me that before he started, he was struggling with a total lack of motivation and a deep sense of sluggishness in both his mind and body. He's in his 50s and thought that being tired and heavy was just his new reality. When Ananthraman joined the 12-week lean body program, the biggest advantage for him was the simplicity and honesty of the system. Because he travels for work, he needed a protocol he could do at home or in a hotel without needing a fancy gym. We didn't give him any complicated routines. We fixed his metabolic signaling through his breakfast. In 90 days, the transformation was so radical, he had to buy an entirely new wardrobe. None of his old shirts or pants fitted him anymore. Today, he says he feels like he's 35 again. Here's the science why this works. Now think of your body as having two fuel tanks. The sugar tank, energy from bread, fruit and grains. The fat tank, your stored visceral fat. Your body is programmed to empty the sugar tank first. As long as that tank is full, the fat tank remains padlocked. The guard of that lock is insulin. When you eat a typical high-carb breakfast, your insulin spikes and stays high for hours. While insulin is high, it is biologically impossible to burn fat. By changing your breakfast, we are going to lower insulin and force your body to tap into that fat tank for energy. So for the next 90 days, we are replacing cheap energy with metabolic fuel. Here are the two best options for a busy professional. Option number 1, the protein anchor. Have 3 whole eggs, scrambled or omelette, cooked in 1 teaspoon of butter or ghee. Then you can pair this with 1 ragi or jowar roti. The science is eggs contains choline, which helps your liver export fat. The ragi or jowar roti provides slow digesting fiber that keeps you full without spiking your insulin. Option number 2 for vegetarians, 50 grams of paneer bhurji scrambled with vegetables. For complex carbs, pair this with 1 ragi or jowar roti. So 50 grams of paneer is the perfect portion to get high quality protein without excess calories. It triggers your fullness hormones so you don't feel like snacking during your 11 a.m. meeting. At lunch, follow the divided plate rule to maintain the fat burning momentum you started at breakfast. Half the plate green vegetables, 1/4 thick dal or grilled protein, a small portion of rice or 1 millet roti. Now drizzle 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil over your veggies. This fat signals your brain to shut down hunger signals for the next 5 hours. Now let's talk about the metabolic prep, nighttime routine. In the last video, we talked about showers and cold room. Today, I want to give you a different set of tools. These are designed to clear your system so the breakfast you eat tomorrow morning works even better. Number 1, the 10-minute glucose walk. After you finish your dinner, do not sit on the sofa immediately. Do a slow 10-minute walk inside your house or in your building. This isn't a workout. It simply tells your muscles to soak up the sugar from your dinner, lowering your insulin before you go to bed. Number 2, the mental tab closure. High cortisol at night blocks morning fat burning. So 15 minutes before bed, take a piece of paper and write down the top 3 things you need to do tomorrow. This brain dump tells your nervous system that the day is handled. It stops your brain from spinning at 2 a.m., which keeps your stress hormones low. Number 3, the cortisol blocker. Along with your warm turmeric and black pepper milk, I recommend my 40 plus clients to take an ashwagandha supplement. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen that has been proven to significantly lower cortisol levels in stressed professionals. Lower cortisol at night means a faster metabolism in the morning. Number 4, the nasal breathing focus. When you lie down, consciously practice breathing only through your nose. Nasal breathing increases oxygenation and helps shift your body into the rest and digest state. Efficient oxygen use is critical for fat oxidation. the actual burning of fat. Next, the sleep or sweat closing. This is the most important takeaway for a busy executive. If you work late and only get 4 to 5 hours of sleep, do not work out the next morning. Your cortisol is already too high. Working out in that state will make you store more belly fat. Skip the gym, get that extra hour of sleep, and stick to your 90-day breakfast plan. Losing weight after 40 is about leadership of your biology, not just hustle. Like Ananthraman, you don't need to spend 2 hours a day in a gym or follow flashy, complicated programs that don't fit your schedule. You need an honest, simple system that respects your high stress lifestyle and gives your body the signals it needs to feel safe. When you stop the sluggishness at the hormonal level, the energy and the confidence to wear those tight shirts again comes back naturally. If you are done with the information trap and you want a professional lean body blueprint that handles your meetings and your metabolic health, then we should talk. Go to chimpanzee.com, watch a short video at my website to understand the science and enroll for the 12-week lean body program. I'm Pius and I'll see you in the next one.
Hi, this is Ananthraman here. So I am from Pune. I am an architect by profession. Yeah, I mean, I'll start with laziness, no motivation. I mean, ठीक है करना है, gym करना है, कभी तो करेंगे. So hardly used to, and that also start off early in the morning, come back late in the evening, and then hardly used to get time for anything. But because of this, I can do anything from wherever I am. I can be at home and still do this. I can be at a hotel and still do this. So that was the advantage I got. So of course I had to buy an entire set of pants and even shirt I had to go and buy because old shirts and pants they never fitted me anymore. And yes, I mean it was giving me a much bolder look, a confident look. And again, you see, I'm wearing a tight shirt which some months back I never used to. So yes, I'm trying to copy you also in that. Even the energy levels have gone up. I mean, previously, like I said, laziness, whether it was in there in the mind or body, sluggishness, yes, it's no longer there. I mean, yes, I look forward doing things. I keep running nowadays. When although I'm close to 50 years, I feel like I'm just 35 kind of. And I found this whole program very honest. I mean, no hanky panky about it, no flashiness about it. Very simple and a very honest program. That is how I will classify this program.